Hello everyone, this is Tanya Now as your independent Norwex consultant, and today I'm going to show you another purpose for the mop. I'm not sure why I bought a white house, but I did. Actually I do know why. It made a pretty little farmhouse. But this is the wet mop pad that I'm going to use, and it's on my mop handle completely extended. I want to show you here, when you are sweeping you want it to rotate around like this, but when you are doing something like this you're going to want to take this lock and secure it. So now it can only go up and down and not rotate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand this off to my husband, and I've got the hose ready, and we're going to show you how easy it is without a pressure washer to get the green off the house. Go ahead, honey. I can spray that too. Let me spray the All right. It definitely helps to have a partner in this because they can spray it down so they can go again and not smear the green, which we have all over the house. I'm going to rinse him off again. Hey, you couldn't see that, but that was pretty nasty. Pressure washer would probably get in those grooves a little bit better, but if you're someone like me who can't handle the pressure of a pressure washer, this is absolutely a very good alternative. Right now.
Show them the difference by coming up here.
Yep. I'm gonna.
That did a great job. Actually.
Show you. Unhook you from my tripod here. Trying. I'm a beast. And show you how well that worked. And I can't quite see. Let me turn this around, and that'll be easier. So hopefully you can see the difference. We have white and we have green. And there you have it.